Howdy everybody. A couple people were asking about a full walk around, so I'm going to do this 360 video so you can check it out. So here you can see the front of the Airstream, little section here that we polished right off the bat. It is a 28-foot Airstream Ambassador land yacht. So here, let me get a shot. There's the original land yacht insignia and everything from Park Trailer Sales. You can barely make it out here, but this was the original artwork that was on the side. It said it was the state of Minnesota, had Brainerd, Minnesota here. You can barely see it probably. And then a goose right up here. So you can see a couple windows here. We had back the old door, a couple dents that we've tried to beat out a little bit. Not super good success. A couple more windows, the rear access hatch. Moving on back. This is the work we were doing tonight. So some of the back panels, and you can see the shiny new one going in here with the Clicos in there holding it in place. We got the bottom all set up. Still has this blue plastic polyurethane coating looking stuff on it. And we got it all drilled and ready for rivets. But I forgot the mineral spirits to be able to clean out all the crap. So we're going to hold off on sealing it up tomorrow because it's about 15 minutes to get home. So you can see the street side windows here as we move down, up and down, and it'll give you a good look inside here. We've got it fully gutted and everything like that. The roof panels we're still working on. And come around here past the compressor. Take a step inside and kind of show you around. We have the two fiberglass end cap shells sitting here waiting to be put back in. The original Princess oven and range. A couple IKEA shades that we were testing. And then headed back, you got the wheel wells. It is a dual axle, a couple wheel wells there, and the view from the inside. So we named it Wally after our dog that passed away about a year ago, so that's how it got its name. But that is a quick tour of Wally the Airstream. Have a good night.